In this video, I'm going to share with you the complete process to exactly how I trade on a daily basis. Step I take before a trade, step I take during a trade, and the step I take after a trade. Trading is not all about execution, but what you do to become a successful trader. The first thing I do before a trade is to identify the market structure. I do this in order to identify the market direction for the day. The next thing I do is to mark up my chart and wait for the market to pull back to my POI, which is point of interest, on 1 hour time frame. So let's go. Let me show you guys how I do my analysis and how I mark up my chart. So first of all, I do like to start from the daily time frame to see what the market is doing. I'm a day trader, right? This is a daily time frame. This is a daily chart on the US 30 market. So what do we do? What do we have here? We have the market giving us a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Then the market give us a higher highs here. Then the market give us a double top. The double top is a reversal candlestick chart pattern that is telling us that the market will be reversing to the downside, and that is what the market that is how the market formed here exactly. So now the market came all the way down here. This is the daily time frame, remember. Then the market came all the way down here to give us a double button, and the double button is vice versa to the M pattern, the same signal to telling us that the market will be going to the upside, you understand, reversing to the upside. And now what do we have? The market pulled all the way to the upside. Now what do we now have there? Now the market gave us a resistance just like this on the daily time frame, a resistance just like this. We are going to leave it like this. Yeah, but if we should shift it like this, that means it's respecting this week just like this. Let's leave it here. Then we'll just have to click on our trading view tool here to mark our daily resistance. So we'll just go to setting, click on it, click D there, representing daily resistance. I'll shrink again to see the overall behavior of the market here. So now what do we still have here? After that, we still have a daily support just like this on a daily time frame. Then we'll identify it as daily just like this. So right now, how do we still have other levels here? What I'm doing on the daily time frame is to mark my key levels, all right, and also to identify the market direction, all right. So if you can see here now, this is a consolidation phase on the daily time frame, you understand. So we have a resistance, we have a support around here, and we're still having another support here but refused to come down here. Then the market went all the way up to give us a higher highs, a higher lows, and now we have a higher highs, and now we have a higher lows, telling us that this market will be going to the upside, right? This is on a bullish move right now. So that is it. For those of you that don't know what market structure is, I will drop the link to the video where I explain market structure. So right now, what do we still have here? If you see, this is the H4 time frame. This is H4 time frame. Now what do we have here? We have this zone here which the market came to retest here. Yeah, you can see it here. We have a resistance here, resistance. We still have a resistance here. All right, so after that resistance, now what did the market do? The market broke that resistance zone, pull back, retest to turn it to a support, right? So and now we're having these higher highs here, and this higher low is currently consolidating on this H4 time frame, right? So what do we still have here? Do we have any other zone here? Yes, we have a zone here. So let me delete this thing real quick so that I can mark that zone. Okay, so I'm going to have to clone this level now. Right now, I'm going to have to clone it just like this. Just like this, all right. So right now, if you can see this level now, this level was a resistance before, you understand. The market broke it, pulled down to retest here, pulled back to retest here. Then the market, the buyers couldn't hold that trend as at that moment. Then the market pulled all the way down to give us all these structures, all right. So what do we see from this market now? This market will be going all the way to the upside here, here, just like that. After we have these higher highs, higher lows, the market will be going here. Now what do I do now? I will have to wait for the market to retest on this zone here. If we have our confirmation, then we'll be shorting from this resistance zone. When the market break this resistance zone, we'll wait for pullback just like this around this level on the 1 hour time frame. So the pullback will be on the 1 hour time frame, which will take us to our 1 hour time frame here, just like this now. This is our 1 hour time frame right now. I'll have to stay on the 1 hour time frame to wait for my POI, which is point of interest, to see what the market will be doing. All right, so right now, now if you can see this level now, this is a support, this is a former support around this level. If we extend to this level, that market is currently giving us a resistance. You understand? This is a resistance. What do we have here? It's very, very clear. This is a resistance here. This was a former support. You understand? The market broke that support, consolidate around this level for a very long while. Then we'll have a retest here, which is a resistance, give us another resistance, and the market is still giving us this resistance. And now we are having another resistance now. So right now, guys, look at what the market is doing here. We have this resistance. This is a former support, right? Then this is a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. And now we have this market as at this level. What are we expecting? The normal description of support and resistance is to buy from support and sell from resistance. But right now we have this market at the resistance zone right now. Do we look to buy? Do we look to sell immediately? No, we don't look to sell here. This market may not even give us this resistance zone. We may not even respect this resistance zone anymore. Why? Because we have first resistance here, first touch. We have second touch, we have third touch, then we have the fourth touch here. It's really hard to see market respecting resistance for the fourth time. You understand? So now, if that is not happening, what would I be doing now? I will only wait for the market to break this level, pull back to my POI, point of interest. Then I can look to buy just like this from this level. You understand? Now, how do I take my buy? I will have to go down to the 15 minutes time frame, right, to wait for the market to pull back, retest. It must happen on the 1 hour time frame, right? So it must happen on the 1 hour time frame before I come to 15-minute time frame to take my buy position. Pull my stop loss at what? My stop loss will be at 50 points here, 50 points here, and the first TP will be 1 to 3. You understand? Now, if the market refuses to retest here, then if the market refuses to retest here, broke this level, come all the way down here on the 1 hour time frame, then we'll come down to 15-minute time frame to look for buying opportunities still. But if we have the market drop just like this, and we want to take this position, this sell from this resistance, then we must wait for our best candlestick confirmation, which is the bullish and the bearish engulfing, the engulfing candles and the evening star. You understand? That is what we'll be waiting for on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, on the smaller time frame to take our short position. But here, what I'm looking at here now, I will be looking at the market to break, pull back to retest to my POI, point of interest, on the 1 hour time frame before I can look to buy this trade. All right. That is what I'll be expecting from this trade right now. So now, guys, after doing all this analysis, now what do? I will have to check the Forex factory to see what the market is, to see if there's any news. All right, I would like to check the Forex factory to see if there's any news today. Let me refresh here. Let me check forex.com, just like this, if there's any news this week. Okay, now, so by the time of recording this video, today is Thursday, so we are going to bring it down to Thursday. We have Tuesday, Wednesday, we have Thursday. If there's any news today, yes, there's just news on USD. Okay, now, so this news now is not strong on USD, so now there is no news. But if there is news, what I'll have to do, I would stay out of the market. All right, then after news, if I see my setup, then I can look to buy or sell, or I can look to take my trade. So now, what is the step I take after a trade? The step I take after a trade is to journal my trade. You understand? The step I take after a trade is to journal my trade. So now, how can journaling help you? The journaling can help you find your errors. You understand? The mistake you are doing and how to become strong in trading. You understand? It helps you understand what you are doing wrong and what you are doing right. And this is how you find profitability in the financial market. You understand? So, guys, this is just exactly how I trade on a daily basis. This is my full breakdown on exactly how I trade on a daily basis. All right, so that is it, guys. Before we end this video, guys, I got something for you all. I thought of a way to help you guys become profitable fast. So I write a book titled Advanced Forex Trading Course. The Advanced Forex Trading Course is all you need to become a consistently profitable trader. The book is not like the internet type that has no value in it. You can never read this book and remain the same as before. All right, so after uploading including everything I learned for the past 6 years in this book. I mean everything that made me a consistently profitable trader. Forex trading is not hard, we only make it hard. The book is very few but powerful. This book is essential guide to becoming a profitable trader. Now, this is what is included. So let me brief you guys. Number one here is what is trading and how you can earn money with trading. All right. The second one here is the fundamentals to become a profitable trader. Why 90% of traders lose money and how to be part of the top 10% that win. Main mistake of people who lose money, habit or what a trader does to be successful. You understand? Then what do you need to earn money from trading? All right. So then we still have the 85% win rate strategy, proper risk trade and money management, good trading psychology, and many more concrete informations that you need to know and what you need to make you consistently profitable. Right. I am also giving out a 3-month mentorship for the first 20 people to get this ebook for just $10.